If you're looking for a Class C motorhome that is truly ready to travel from day one, this 2024 Thor Four Winds 28A deserves a closer look. Professionally maintained, extensively upgraded, and built for both campground comfort and serious off-grid capability, this coach stands out from the crowd. As you step inside, you'll find a spacious and inviting interior designed to make life on the road comfortable, whether you're away for a weekend or traveling for months at a time. The cab offers excellent visibility and driving confidence, while the living area provides a welcoming space to relax, dine, and unwind after a day of adventure. Moving through the coach, you'll notice thoughtful upgrades throughout. The sleeping area has been enhanced with a premium Brooklyn Bedding Aurora Luxe mattress, delivering a level of comfort rarely found in a motorhome. Blackout and thermal curtains help create a dark, quiet sleeping environment while also improving insulation. Additional puck lighting adds warmth and functionality throughout the interior, while Reflectix insulation in cabinets and windows helps maintain comfortable temperatures year-round. Whether you're making coffee in the morning, charging devices, or enjoying remote campsites, this setup provides the flexibility many RV owners are searching for. Safety and protection upgrades add even more value. A Bulldog surge protector helps safeguard sensitive electronics from campground power issues. A tire pressure monitoring system provides real-time updates while driving, and a dash cam adds peace of mind on every trip. You'll find upgrades that make setup and campsite living easier than ever. Max Air Fan covers allow ventilation even during rainy weather, and a windshield cover helps reduce interior heat buildup when parked. Perhaps most importantly, this coach has been professionally inspected every 6 months with a 100-point inspection process, most recently completed in March 2026. The roof has also been professionally resealed, helping protect against one of the most common causes of long-term RV damage. This is more than just a stock Thor Four Winds. It's a thoughtfully upgraded, exceptionally maintained Class C motorhome that's ready for its next adventure. To view all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.